Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to turn off Forced Taunting in Mecha Chameleon settings. So if your character is automatically taunting or making noises and you want to disable it, just follow along. First, open Mecha Chameleon and go to the main menu. Next, open the settings menu and look for gameplay, audio or control setting. Now check for an option related to forced taunting, or taunt behavior. And if the option is available, turn it off and apply the changes. After that, restart the game and join a match to check if the forced taunting has been disabled. And if you cannot find the option, make sure the game is updated to the latest version because settings can change after updates. You can also check the control settings to see if a taunt action is assigned to a key and accidentally been triggered. So that was how to turn off Forced Taunting in Mecha Chameleon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.